Mr. Madeka.
Good afternoon, sir. Our chief guest, Honorable Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen, the Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Interior and National Administration, our Honorable Dr. Raymond Omolo, Principal Secretary for Minister of Interior and National Administration, the Deputy Governor, His Excellency Dr. Matthew Howili. Also, allow me to recognize our able Deputy Inspector General, Mr. Gilbert Masengeli. All protocols observed. It is my great opportunity, given a chance, to speak before you. By name, I'm Chief Inspector Benson Madeka, the OCS Kisumu Central, representing the OCS and much of our commanders within Kisumu Central. Kisumu Central takes much of the activities, and it's the center of many activities within the county, and we have a lot within us. As police officers, we try to do what is within our mandate and what is best to make sure that we achieve the best results, and also to make sure that we serve the Kenyans to the best expectation we can. However, in our undertakings and in our activities, and as we execute our duties, as people who have a responsibility, we really want to appreciate you, sir, for the good job and the relationship that you've built between us, the administration, and also the entire members of public within the country. It is really encouraging, and it is giving us power and the energy to keep moving within our duties. We have challenges which are normal in our workplace, and I'm so happy as a representative of police station commanders that you've, in your undertakings, addressed much of them. In your welcome brief, you talked much of training, which is a very key thing in our job. Frequently, officers, when they are trained, they get motivated, they get to be acquainted with what they have to do at their workplace. However, sometimes back when we were being employed, there are activities which used to take place time and again, which used to motivate us. We have some activities like competitions, which used to bring us together, create some teamwork spirit, which really pushed us to work professionally and also help us assist members of public when required to do so. For example, of the same is first aid competitions. First aid competition is an activity that was organized from our headquarters, and it really used to nurture our talents and also help us be able to help members of public when in need. Many times we are faced by a situation where we are required to assist members of public who are in need. Somebody falls down at town, a police officer is required to go and attend that person. An accident has occurred, a police officer is required to go and attend that one. Anybody who is in need and a member of public cannot assist, they are brought to the station. A police officer will be required to assist that person. So when such trainings and competitions are conducted, they equip the officers with the good knowledge which will help us. Also, we had a shooting competition, which is also a very good practice for us. It will help us to be very effective in our in execution of our duties. Also, we have things like sports. Much of us are very much aware. We have police officers who have excelled very much well on matters of sports. And that gives us the power, it encourages us, and it makes us keep moving. However, on the same line of trainings, we have an issue that has affected this area. Since I was posted here, I've also noted we have issues of gender-based violence. And much of issues that happen within the central police station and the neighborhood, if we have victims of gender-based violence, the victims are brought to the Kisumu Central Police Station. At Kisumu Central Police Station, we have a children protection unit, but it will be my humble request that we construct a children protection unit that is I was saying at the Kisumu Central Police Station, I was saying we hold within us, that is the regional police commander's office. We have the county police commander's office, and we also have the sub-county police commander's office at the central, and that is where we have central police station. With a children protection unit that is working functional, will help us be able to assist members of public who requires our assistance. On the same side, we also have structures that we call safe house. Safe house are very important to us as police officers. For example, if we get people or members of public who are stranded, they have traveled from different areas and have no place, or they have no assistance, they only need police assistance, we need a place where we can assist them as we connect with other organizations or facilities which has been assisting us. That is very crucial to us and to the members of public within this area. That facility will be of much importance. Again, much has been talked about our relationship between our colleagues. I believe as an OCS, I have a responsibility to ensure that I have good working relationship, one, with the county government. I have the National Administration Office, that includes the chiefs and our senior officers to the level of a regional commissioner, and all officers involved. It is a responsibility of the office holders within a certain area to ensure that we work together. It is not only my responsibility, it is not the chief's responsibility only, but all of us who are involved in providing security, it is our responsibility to ensure that we build a good working relationship. For the county government, we have our the Excellence Deputy Governor here with us. He's a good friend of us. He has been assisting us. But I will request we have the proper lighting within Kisumu Central, because at times we are faced with the challenges of darkness. Like when we are policing within areas of Milimani and we get very dark streets, that encourages thuggery. And with good lighting, it will help us. There was an initiative of Mlikamwizi. It was an initiative that was used countrywide. That initiative has really helped us. As police officers, places where we have that Mlikamwizi, you rarely get a house-breaking issue. Again, on the same side, working closely with the county government has also helped us sharing of information. This county of Kisumu has its own dynamics. The relationship between the police and the members of public can be good more than it is, and that will only be if the members of public have confidence with us. If the members of public have confidence with the chiefs and the area administration officers, the village elders, if there is any information that you get that a police officer should work on, if we get proper information, time information, as police officers, we shall be able to act on it on time and ensure that we deliver. Our challenges as police officer, we have this issue that has disturbed us so much. This issue of medical insurance. Many times, we are working extra hours. We are required to deliver at even time when somebody does not expect you to have worked. We worked even for more than 8 hours. Sometimes you might find yourself you have to work for extra hours, and you do not complain. Now, when your family is not well, when they go to an hospital and they find that they cannot be attended to, a doctor tells you, or an attendant in an hospital tells you, we cannot attend to you because you have a limit that has been placed into your insurance cover. It is embarrassing. Sometimes a child will ask, Daddy, what am I doing here? Kwani Daddy umeshindwa kulipa? Some questions, some things are embarrassing to us. I think this is something affecting us, and I believe something is capable of being done. There's a time we really enjoyed good services, a comprehensive cover, whereby you can walk in an hospital, you are treated, go home. They'll ask you which insurance cover you are using, the National Police Service insurance cover, you are taken care of, you go home. Our chief guest, that is something that is affecting our morale, and with your input, I know we shall achieve much. On transport, I want to do patrols. I want to use police car. I want to make sure that police presence is felt within Kisumu Central. For an example, within my station, I have one Land Cruiser. One Land Cruiser, and with the dynamics of situation of crime within Kisumu Central, it's not enough. With more provision and facilitation on transport, we will be more effective. I want to respond to matters. I've divided my officers in different categories to ensure that